Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings, then in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Snapchat and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.